Hey, it's Ninja here, and today I got an Amazon parcel. It's nothing exciting really, it's just a new phone case for my phone because I'm an accident pro and I love dropping my phone. Sorry about the background. So yeah. So obviously it's a 360 phone case. Sorry, my chair has been annoying because it's not right in the center. Oh yeah, don't know if you can see, but this is more like, hang on. It's Nightmare Before Christmas, which is one of my favorite Halloween Christmas films. I don't know which one it is, Christmas or Halloween. I think it's a bit of both. 50-50. Oh my god, why did I do that? I don't know. But anyways, let's open this. Well, hopefully it's good. It's just a new phone case for my phone. The old one, is in the bin, but I can show you what it looks like. Give me 1 minute, I'll be back. My desk decided to. So basically this is my old one. So this is the front, privacy screen protector and the phone case. But the reason why I ordered the new one, because I got the iPhone 16 Plus. Reason why I ordered the new one because of this. Don't know if you can see it clearly, but this is really sharp. So I thought I don't want to just have that. I want to get a new one, and basically what it does, it clips on. But you've got to make sure these are fully gone in. So yeah, it's basically like that. So let's open it. They put it in a little baggie. Better than that one. That didn't come in a bag. So this is the phone case. Anything else in it? No. So yeah, so basically it's the same. Is it the same, or it's a bit chunkier, I think? Hang on, is it? No, it's basically the same, just a bit different. I like this bit, the pill heart, that gets me every time. Yeah, the privacy screen protector, it seems a bit more better than this one, to be honest. A lot stronger. Yeah, it is. Right, I don't want to damage this, but I think, yeah, it's the same. I seriously do not want to break this. Because, if you look carefully, it has little things at the bottom where you can like take it off, but you have to be careful. Right, I'll show you one here. So to take it off, you need to basically hook onto that, then just do that. I'm going to keep my old one just in case. Then basically, obviously it won't crack. There we go. Right, take this off. It's a bit more different, the back design. The back is different, but yeah. Right, let's take the pill off. The back is more different, but the thing is why I got this one instead of keeping this one, because I have a really strong magnet and I don't want that, so I just bought it flat instead. I got these, which are the camera, but the lens protectors. So, yeah. Basically, wait, can I put... I should record on my old iPhone. So yeah. These are the little camera protectors. So, don't want to lose them. I'm not being mean, but if you do lose them, you should really get two lots instead of just one lot. Because if you lost it, if you lose it, then bam, you lost it. You can't do much about it. What else does it come with? Oh, to wipe the thing. So I thought it won't come with instructions. Wait, are these the same? Yeah. Wait, are they? Hang on. Yeah, they are. So look, it tells you how to install it, which is quite handy, not gonna lie. So you put it on your phone, then you... Oh, why didn't I remove it first? I removed the pill first, didn't I? Yeah. This is actually glass, that's why it's a bit more... But look how better it is. This is glass as well. But this one is a bit more privacy screen. This one is, but I think this one is more darker than this one. But I'm not too sure. But this back hopefully is a bit more better. Right, I'm gonna go. Then I might do a separate video to show you what it looks like on. But I'm not sure yet. But if you enjoy it, make sure to subscribe and like and smash that like button. I know it's only putting on a just found the pill thing. That's why it's more darker, because it had this on it. But it's still dark. Oh, there's my face. So yeah, hopefully this one is more better. Right, I'm gonna go so I can put it on. I probably won't do a part 2, but yeah. I know it's been boring really, because I've been unpackaging a iPhone case, but yeah, I will upload more Fortnite videos. I just haven't got the time really at the moment, but I will do. Once I can, I will let you know. Right, I love you all. Be safe. And yeah. See you later, I guess. Bye. Bye. Hiya. I'm in my bathroom, but I just thought I'd show you what the case looks like. It's nothing interesting, to be honest. Sorry, my mirror is a bit... I did clean it. I just don't know why it's like that. But yeah, my phone case. Nothing interesting. Right, I love you all. Bye-bye. Oh, nope. Bye.